Good morning. Oh, this is a real. Oh, God.
Yep. Welcome to my world.
Your alarm is so annoying.
I know.
Mine is a song, and it went off 3 times. Okay, well, the audio is going to be kind of crappy because your boy's not putting on the microphone just to go to breakfast. But we're going to Universal today, which is going to be super, super fun. There's going to be a ton of GoPro clips. And these vlogs are going to be up really late because we're using the data for Fortnite and other stuff like Netflix, but they'll be up eventually. So I hope you guys enjoy them so far, and see you at breakfast.
Universal. We're
eating one.
It's like Noah threw up. Noah threw up. It's gross. Cole got thrown up on.
What? I don't. As soon as I find out, I'll text you.
It kind of Cole's back.
No, we should be good.
You're not doing so hot.
Oh wait, yeah, I'm really burnt. I'm leaking.
Yeah, Garrett has a little bit of sunburn on his
Wait,
nose.
let's get that tan line.
Yeah, and he wore a tank top yesterday and he has a tan line of it. So.
It's perfect.
Oh,
we're at Universal.
That's obviously the best way to hold the camera right there.
Hold on.
And you can like.
I got the.
Sweating really bad.
Should over to the bigger rides. Yeah, we're going to. So we just went. And the Men in Black one, it was super cool. Got one of them. The Men in Black one was super fun. This isn't really zoomed in. Okay. We're gonna go over to the bigger rides now, which there'll be GoPro clips of that. Oh, it's bright. Oh, but come on. Okay, it's.
Yeah, it might be a little bright.
Yeah, it's a pretty bright. I might be able to fix this. I don't know. Okay, we just went on that one ride. It was really fun. I couldn't record on it because the metal detector went off when I had my GoPro in my pocket. Maybe I'll get Hulk, maybe one of them, but normally we have Brandon record it, which is good. Going to Hulk. To Harry Potter Land we go. We have to take the train to get to the other spot. We're being good children and not leaving the park. It's like we were in the other corner and then we have to walk to the other corner to go to Hulk. It's.
Oh my.
We're all walking.
That's an interesting fact.
So focus. There we go. Some pretty cool stuff here. We were gonna buy hats, but they're really expensive. Right, in third person vlog.
Come here, stupid. Kitty.
Oh, lame.
Oh,
that's it.
I knew it was coming. Shut up. Cream soda.
What do we do?
An update, just an update. What we had for lunch. Where'd he go? Just say what we had for lunch.
Hot sauce and
I'll tell you what he's doing. Nobody start laughing. Callie, if you remember this for us, I will actually. Don't say anything. I'll shoot your first one. This is gonna be up there. This is gonna be what we've eaten for lunch.
I'm gonna switch lenses. How was lunch, everyone?
That was good. That's good. Where'd you go, Brandon? It took you so long.
Garrett, what did you eat?
It took you so long.
It's like chicken something.
Are you feeling okay?
They went right through you.
We didn't know if you got sick from the breakfast.
Well, like, we were thinking the breakfast is maybe like making us sleep.
Because that's what we think.
Screw up, y'all.
I got $1 for eating a hot dog cup of Sprite.
Oh yeah, here they are. We put refrigerator things in. What did you do? What are you
It's just choking.
Oh god. I can't breathe.
What happened?
I swallowed it down in the wrong tube.
Oh, that sounded disgusting.
Yeah, chew it, don't let it dissolve.
Yeah, chew it. I hope you're supposed to chew it.
I got another $1. I feel better.
I didn't even eat half that.
Whose soda is that?
I don't know.
Mine.
That's not focused. Drink it. I have to see it. Or is it just clear?
Mine's lemonade. You still see yellow.
Okay, we're good.
I got it. How'd your soda taste good, bud?
Are you drinking more?
You idiot.
You.
Open the lid.
Look at that.
I can't taste anything.
Oh, God.
What? No. Yeah, it's hot sauce. We put a hot sauce packet in it. We should have just loaded with hot sauce.
We should have just dumped
Try
it.
to stick the hot sauce packet to the end, so that's all you get.
Prank fail.
Yeah, well, we could
Prank fail.
I was like,
Damn
when you
it.
guys do it, why is it so loud?
We thought you got it.
Tornado. Warning. This has been warning. We're not marching anymore. Braden's hitting a satchel. We're all gonna die.
Guys, there's a new ride. It's called Tornado Hunters.
Oh, you vlogging? Where's the tornado?
Guys, I'll sacrifice myself.
We're all gonna die.
I'm sorry I didn't get I go to the mornings, but any indoor ride is gonna be good.
Oh, indoor rock.
Stay alive first, friends
You're
later.
gonna Photoshop in the tornado. Indoor ride.
I'm a good cook.
Sorry, you gotta add some extra Photoshop. We're all done.
That's it.
Yeah, we gotta like go on a ride now.
You gotta send it.
So like, like how many minutes Oh, what is it gonna stop us? Everyone just took care. I just about did it. You didn't even get to use the GoPro. This is the better use. Dark clouds.
Let me know.
I wonder why he doesn't like Mexicans.
Garrett.
This seems like a really science
Got some alcoholics over here.
It's not good.
Illegal. Illegal. Illegal.
I'm gonna try it.
Could I?
Is it good?
No, it's really bad. They like it, but it's really bad.
I want to try it. I want to.
It tastes like a cream soda. Faster than.
Yeah, Morgan. It's just cream soda. We're in. What? Speak up, Isaiah. We're in the Hogwarts area. Those got to be nice and comfortable.
Actually, like, not horrible, but like.